what's up guys? Hope you all are fine. Firstly, all my Muslim friends, Assalamu alaikum, and I also respected my non-Muslim friends. Today I am here with new and another interesting video, and in this video I will tell you about top 5 places in the world, and I request you to kindly subscribe our channel for more informative and more interesting videos. So let's start the video. The number 1 is Machu. So on the number 1 is Machu Picchu, Peru. Machu Picchu is an ancient Inca citadel located in the Andes Mountains of Peru. It's one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world, known for its stunning mountain setting and well preserved ruins. Visitors can hike the Inca Trail, to reach the site or take a train to Aguas Calientes and then a bus to the entrance. Number 2, the Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications made of stone, brick, stamped earth, and other materials which were built along the northern borders of China to protect against invasions. It stretches over 13,000 miles and offers breathtaking views, especially at sections Mutianyu and Jinshanling. Number 3, Santorini, Greece. Santorini is a picturesque Greek island in the Aegean Sea, known for its whitewashed buildings with blue domed roofs, stunning sunsets, and crystal clear waters. It's a popular destination for honeymooners and those seeking a romantic getaway. Number 4, Venice. Number 4, Venice, Italy. Venice is a unique city. Venice is a unique city built on a network of canals. Visitors can explore its narrow streets, ride in gond- gondolas, visit historic sites like Este Marks Basilica and the Dog's Place, and savor delicious Italian cuisine. Number 5, Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is the Kyoto is a city in Japan known for its rich history, traditional tea houses, stunning templates, and beautiful cherry blossoms in the spring. Don't miss the Fushimi Inari Shrine with its thousands of red torii gates. Hope so you will like this video. If you will like, so give thumbs up and tell me in the comment section what will be the next video.